Hi, I'm Camilla and I'm one of the co-founders of Qit. I'm here with Michael, my colleague.
Hello, I'm Michael, responsible for our technical engagement team, onboarding our customers on a global scale.
And today we're going to talk about this role as a solution architect. We are looking for solution architects for our US team. They're based in Minneapolis, and our Copenhagen team here in Denmark. So Michael, tell me a little bit about the team.
Yeah, so basically we are a team of 5 nationalities with a background within web technologies primarily. Basically what we do, we help onboarding our customers based on their needs. So what we do is we analyze what their needs, and then we provide them with the best solution suitable for the customer.
And how does that work? What's like a typical day in the role of a solution architect in your team? What would be the specific tasks?
So that would be basically preparing for a demo with a customer. That would be might engage with the sales team. What are their needs? We expect to find out what is their needs. It might be a demo with the customers, understand what are their user journey, what are their needs, and how can we best provide them with a solution. It also will be a support case with a follow-up from a previous demo call, making sure that their setup is properly set up for their coming events, and make sure that has happened, and basically, supporting our customers on an ongoing basis.
And other than the of course, very strong technical background, what are the main skills that you look for in these candidates for this role?
Yeah, so basically, really important here is that we are able to engage with the customer. So that means both engagement from the technical side, but also from the business side. So really good engagement and communication skills is really top priority. Another thing would be of course, naturally a strong technical background within the web technologies and setup. Sure.
Okay, and then one last question for you, because a typical background for our solution architects would be a similar role in a large enterprise organization. And I know that you have about a year ago made that exact transition, coming from a big enterprise e-commerce company and taking this step into joining Qit at a growth stage. So what was your experience from a cultural perspective on this transition? Because I know this is something that a lot of our candidates are a bit concerned about and wondering what that will be like. So, but you've had the real life experience, so if you can share it, that would be awesome.
So basically we are a smaller company, and that means that there's not much. It's short from action from thought to action, and that is really something that is really excitement in this role. Also, we are a company of 30 nationalities. That means there's a lot of ideas, a lot of dynamics, and really a good energy in the company.
And what about the leadership style? So you are one of our VPs in the company. Have you experienced any differences in the way that the company is managed?
I think we really have an open leadership style. We are really able to manage a global company, and really being able to engage with our employees in a really personal way, and really support them really in their development and where they are from now. So really a nice leadership still we are practicing here.
Okay, so if you're interested in knowing more about the job, if you want to meet Michael, if you want to apply, send us an email on hr@qit.com, or you can check out the full job description on our career page on qit.com. Thank you.